Good morning. Well, the weather outside, it's not that nice today, so I don't think the drone will be going up to have a look at the area. But yeah, the visibility of the lake that way is just, you can see maybe half a mile, so it's not that good. What are you doing? You see the ducks? Coming back inside. Alright, so the plans today, I think we're going to go up to Lake Como. So this is Lake Garda, we're going to go to Lake Como, which is maybe an hour's drive. And yeah, it's a smaller lake up there. We've had a look at the map, the visibility is meant to be a bit better, so hopefully we can just do a wee bit more activities up there. I really want to get on a boat and get out on the lake, go for a swim. So aye, let's go and find Leona and make some plans. Come on, there you come. Hey! Cha! Hey! In you come. In you come. Good girl. Let's go. Hurrah-cha-cha-cha-cha! Okay, the plans have been made. We are going to Bellagio up at Lake Como. So it is a 3 or 4 hour drive and we're going the scenic route. And aye, let's just enjoy it. See you there.
Ciao.
Here we are, Lake Como, and we've actually got some visibility. We can see the place. Oh, and even better, one of my followers reached out to Leona and she has offered us a place to stay. So, aye, we're just going to stop here. Just look at it. I mean, that's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, then we'll just head up to the house and put our stuff in and then do a wee bit of exploring. Hello. Hello. Almost there. Come on.
the only you need is this
Yeah.
for this gate and the black one for the apartment.
Okay.
Okay. E chiusa, quanti vedere? Liga qui. Here we go. Come.
Wow.
Wow.
Not bad.
Not bad
It's lovely.
indeed.
It's one of our best apartments. To be
It's
honest.
absolutely beautiful.
So, here, Wi-Fi password.
Ah, yes.
Electric for cooking. Here, a small gift.
Wow.
Vino.
Some water and some vino. Bottle of Italian Prosecco. It's cold.
A bottle of vino, perfect.
It's available. Also for the cat.
Grazie.
Here, the smart TV. Beautiful terrace. Okay. Have a look.
Wow. Wow.
We are just in front of Villa Pignana. Do you know it?
No.
Villa Pignana is the most beautiful and old villa of all Lake Como. Space for 40 people for the weddings. Where
wow, this here.
Zuckerberg get married there.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
really. Villa Pignana is really famous.
Mark Zuckerberg got married.
Oh,
there.
well.
Here your private area with all the cushions.
Oh, nice.
Tomorrow, here we have all the bedrooms and bathrooms.
Wow.
2 bathrooms with shower. Here is for the thermostat. I put it on. Okay.
Yes.
If you do that way, yeah, you can increase. Okay.
This is incredible. Probably one of the nicest places I've stayed in.
One double
And the
bed.
view is absolutely stunning.
Now we fight for
Lie down, please. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. I need to talk to the camera. Well guys, what an absolutely gorgeous place we seem to have landed in. We actually got this apartment. One of our followers reached out to us and just said they've got an apartment here we could stay in for a few days, so that's going to be the plan. Absolutely beautiful. If you would like to have a look at it yourself, we'll put the Airbnb link down below. And yes, yeah, yes, yes. Let me talk. Let me talk. And yeah, we're going to be here for a few days to check out the surrounding area, which is absolutely gorgeous. So, aye, look forward to showing you all. See you soon. Good morning. Look at this for a view to wake up to. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I think today's plans. What's today's plans? I think we're going to go for a wee drive and then go for a walk. So let's go through and get Leona and see what we're doing. You ready? Yeah, okay. Quick, quick. You come.
things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Can we have
Which one?
this one at the two at the front? These two.
Which one is the
Yeah, yes, one of them.
One
Yes.
of them and one of the swell ones.
You want in little bag? Okay.
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Oh, how beautiful is that? Look at that. And then we come over this side. Make sure there's no cars coming. Look at that for a waterfall. So yeah, we just stopped to get some cakes. Oh, what was that? Perfect. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Have you come? There you come, good girl. Good girl. What can you see? A dog. You see the dog? We'll just do it, you know, whatever, it depends. Here we are, so we're in Bellagio, which is one of the nicest parts of the area. So yeah, gonna have a wee stroll about here, see what it's like. Jump! Good girl. Yes! Jump! Ah. Come on. Good girl. Hello.
Ciao! Ciao, come funziona?
Hello. Yeah.
Del succhi.
You're not going in there. Come on, good girl. You see the back? Nope. This way.
Ma che bello che sei! Che bravo! Non è magari non
Cheers, guys.
Ciao amore!
Saluto, bye.
So that was a beautiful wee walk around that town. It's called Bellagio, in case I never mentioned it before. Now we're just going to get in the ferry and go across to the other side of the lake, which is where we live. I'm going to go to the shop, get stuff, and we're going to make dinner, and yeah, chill back at the house. So let's go, enjoy the ferry. Hello.
Ciao!
Ferry ticket bought
Bought, booked, paid.
and ready to board. Daddy, please. Daddy.
Let's see.
Right guys, going to end this video here. Brilliant day we had. Would you recommend Bellagio?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, so if you can, get yourself to Bellagio. In fact, get yourself to Lake Como because it's amazing. Anyway, good night and we'll see you tomorrow. Buddy, kicking my foot for that.